Welcome everyone to another review from Gadgets and Bits Limited on eBay. You can find us on at stores.ebay.co.uk/Gadgets and Bits Limited. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you a new Gild design case. It's a really beautiful case. It's full metal case. It's like all around front and back metal case as well. I'll show you exactly how this works shortly. First of all, let's talk about colours. We have the following colours. We have this is like a grey, metallic shiny grey. We have the silver. As you can see, there's a bit difference between these two. They're silver and that's a lot of black, sort of like a greyish tint to it. So we've got a grey, silver, we have gold. Okay, then we have the antique gold. It's a bit of like a nice antique gold finish to the whole case itself. Then we also have the copper or the brown bronze case as well. I mean, really beautiful cases. As you can see, everything is sort of like embossed, printed out. Even, you know, the logo at the back, the designer's logo, the Gild design, the camera cutouts are perfect. All the edges are very, very smooth around the whole case itself. The way this case works, basically, you have 4 screws at the front, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the corners. Unscrew them, put your phone in, and you know, if you'll just screw them back on, it will stay in place. You will also receive with the case one screen guard for iPhone 4S or 4. You'll get an Allen key and a couple of extra screws to go with these cases. Right, I'm just going to demonstrate to you quickly a colour. Let's just pick this sort of grey one. Right, I'm just unscrewing the 4 screws on the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a really actually high quality built case. So this is what you actually end up with. You've got the back plate and the front plate. I'm not sure if you can notice in the video, the inside of the back plate as well as the front plate, around the edges of the front plate, it's got like a microfiber, sort of like a sticker sheet inside it. So you shouldn't well, it will protect you, basically your back and the front of your phone from the metal, from the harsh metal. So we'll just keep it away nicely. So it's a really nice, well thought out design, which makes, you know, even more sense than ever before. Right, I'm just going to demonstrate that to you with an iPhone 4S this time. Okay, what do? You just take your phone right way up, put it in there, put the top plate on top. I suppose it will look just better probably with white as well as black as well. Just demonstrate the black. In the end, what you do is just take your screws, screw them back on. Don't over tighten them too much, because you might have been just killing the top thread of the screw itself. And I could speed this up a little bit, but as you can see, it just takes less than 30 seconds to screw this case on. And once in place, really fantastic case. Nothing is falling out of this case. I mean, as you can see, the front and everything is properly nicely cut out. The button at the front, easily accessible. Easily accessible button at the front. All the buttons on the side. I know there is a difference between the iPhone and the iPhone 4 and the iPhone 4S, where the mute button is a bit lower, but this is a nice cut out hole on the side, which means it will fit both the iPhone 4S as well as the 4. So all the buttons on the side are accessible really nicely. The camera hole at the back is perfectly cut out, so there's no mistake made there. Again, this is actually embossed, sort of like cross at the back. The SIM card tray, again, accessible. You don't need to remove the case to remove the SIM card tray, and the data socket at the bottom, accessible as well. You can use either a thicker one or slim supplied cable with that, and on the top all the ports are accessible. Again, very durable case. It is one of the most, well, it's got quite a bit of weight to it as well, but not as much as we'd expect. But it's proper sort of like thick metal case. I mean, if you happen to drop it, you probably get a dent in the concrete compared, and probably not on the case. So your phone should be still hopefully safe. As you can see, the edges of the front are very nicely cut out, and the precision on the cutouts is actually immaculate. It's actually very good. I mean, whoever makes these cases, they've done a really good job. Again, you can buy these from our store on eBay as well as on our website. And as I said, mentioned already, we've got them in 5 colours. The gold, the antique gold, the grey, sort of like tinted grey case, silver, completely silver, as well as the copper, antique copper sort of design. Really lovely cases. I mean, you couldn't get any better than that if you wanted a completely different, unique case, and you will also get a screen guard supplied with these. Again, thank you very much for watching this video. You can buy this in our store. The address is either displayed on the top or on the bottom of the YouTube ad. Thanks again. Hopefully see you soon. Bye now.